Parker, guess what time it is? Time for Father's Day Wishables! Yes! Oh yeah, one for you, one for Dada to open, and one for me. They only had 3 left at the resort. Let's open it. First, feel it. What do you think it is, Parker? What do you think it is?
Red.
We're going red. Dada's gonna open it for you. Let's see. What is it? What is it? Whoa! It's a Radiator Racers vehicle. That's so cool. That's a car. Can you say vroom vroom? Vroom vroom. Oh, you want to do Dada's? Ready? I legitimately do think this one's red. What's it gonna be? Take it out. Take it out. What is it? It's Tomater! Wow. Whoa. Vroom, vroom, vroom. He's so cute. Yeah, vroom, vroom. You gonna push him on the ground? Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. All right, we've got another one.
I think this is red.
I hope it's red. We just want red.
Go.
What is it? If it's Tomato again, I'm gonna laugh because they're kind of the same. Oh! Oh no, it's right. Whoa, 2 tomatoes. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And a ride vehicle. Dun, dun, dun. Actually, that kind of looks like Luigi. Welcome. All right, Parker. Look what it is. What is that? Whoa. Wishables. Wow. And there he is. Are you taking them all? All right, we're at the Hubgrass. I have a weird feeling we got some maters, but we're gonna try. What do you got, Parker?
3 more maters.
We've got lightning over here.
Wanna open it? You ready?
Yeah. Pull it out. What is it? What is it? You didn't open it all the way, I don't think. Struggle.
Struggle bus.
Get it.
What is it?
What is it? Whoa, it's red! Yay!
Good boy.
Yay! Can you give it a kiss? Good boy. We only need one more. Pick it out. What is it? Oh, another red!
2 red.
2 red.
Who do we know that needs a fire engine?
There's one more. Where's your Chris? I really do think this one's Mater.
Look at your fire engine.
But we can send Mater to Gabriel if it is.
This is so cool.
Ready? What is it? What is it? Take it out. Take it out. Yay!
Yay!
Can you give her a kiss? Oh, poor Gabriel gets nothing.
Wow,
you give her a kiss. There's only one in the whole bag.
You can have it red. Whoa, Parker, what do you got? Some cars? You looking for snacks? Vroom, vroom. All right, we're back after a successful day of Wishables over here. This is our new Cars Land series. As you can see, there is Tomater, Sally, the ride vehicle, and red. And we got the entire collection, including Lightning McQueen, that is the open edition. I'm not sure if there's a variant. I assume it would be a different color with this one, but there they are. Red, the fire truck, Sally over here, the ride vehicle, which is the easiest to find because you can sit someone in it, kind of like Monsters, Inc. Tomater, which is the biggest and bulkiest of them all. And then Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow. Cool. Sweet collection and perfect for Father's Day. That was a great Father's Day gift. Wishables. All right, here we go. More Wishables! Wow!